hard case compatible with Apple AirPods Max over-ear headphones. The Lebacourt headphone case is meticulously designed for Apple AirPods Max over-ear headphone. Its upper compartment features a mesh pocket under the lid, perfect for storing AirPods Max headphones accessories such as charging cables and adapters. Meanwhile, the lower compartment snugly holds the AirPods Max headphones themselves, keeping them protected and secure during storage and transport. Whether using an Apple Smart Case or not, it perfect storage the Apple AirPods Max headphones' sturdy exterior construction. Crafted from a combination of EVA and nylon materials, the exterior of the AirPods Max headphone case offers exceptional sturdiness and protection. This robust construction effectively guards the AirPods Max headphones against impacts, bumps, and other hazards, ensuring that they remain safe and secure wherever you go. Additionally, the EVA and nylon blend provides water resistance, further safeguarding the AirPods Max headphones from moisture and spills. Luxurious velvet interior. Inside the AirPods Max headphone storage case, a plush velvet lining provides a soft and gentle environment for the Apple AirPods Max headphones, preventing scratches and maintaining their pristine condition. This premium interior not only adds a luxurious touch, but also ensures that the AirPods Max headphones are shielded from any potential damage while being transported. Convenient carrying solution. Equipped with a comfortable handle, the AirPods Max headphones case offers effortless portability. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or simply on the move, the convenient handle allows you to carry your Apple AirPods Max headphones with ease. The compact size of the AirPods headphone case also makes it easy to slip into a backpack, purse, or suitcase, ensuring that your AirPods Max headphones are always close at hand. Stylish and functional design. Combining practicality with aesthetics, the AirPods Max headphone case boasts a sleek and modern design that complements the premium look of the Apple AirPods Max headphones themselves. The use of high-quality materials and attention to detail ensure that the AirPods Max headphone case not only offers superior protection, but also exudes sophistication and style.